Hello everyone. In this video, let us see various modes of execution. Basically, there are two modes of execution. One is immediate mode, another is deferred mode. Now, what does this mean? Whenever I execute my application or whenever the page gets loaded and JavaScript code gets executed immediately, we call that mode as immediate mode. Deferred mode is something where first the page gets loaded and script gets executed after some event like a button click or on mouse over or key press, key down, key up, something. It does not gets executed as soon as the page gets loaded. It gets executed whenever we perform some action or whenever we perform some event. So here we have two types of execution mode. First is immediate mode of execution. So whatever we have seen till now was immediate mode of execution. We have been looking at sample codes and we saw that whenever page gets loaded, script was getting executed. Now deferred mode, so we will see how to achieve deferred mode. Basically we need to perform some event. So we will take an example of button click event and we will understand events in detail, or we'll try to implement events in detail when we go for events topic. So as of now, let us see an example with the help of button click event. Now let us see a demo for immediate and deferred mode. So our last example was immediate mode. So we wrote our JavaScript code here and in my script file, and we were referring that over here. Now what I'm going to do, I don't want to have these things in two different files. And I want to make it a little simple. Now for immediate mode, what you need to do, you need to write your script tag in body tag. Simple. So whenever the page gets loaded, it is going to encounter this script tag and it will understand that from here onwards we have JavaScript. Then it will try to compile this line of code or interpret this line of code and execute it. Now let us see that. I'll say F5 or I'll execute this. So as soon as the page gets loaded, it says welcome to MTT. This is fine. This is immediate mode of script execution. Now what I will do, in the body I'll have a button and here I'll just say value as click me. So whenever I click this button, I want it to perform something. So I need to track that event, that is nothing but on click event. I want to execute a line of code. Say I want to execute alert. So here normally what we do, we call a method, we call a function. So as we haven't introduced functions yet, so I'm going to write script directly over here. Hi from button. So that's it. Now let me execute this. So this is immediate mode of script execution. Now here I have a button. Okay, button text. I need to write it here. Save. That's a Control F5. So now if I click on this, I should see a pop-up, or you can say an alert. So I get an alert, hi from button. So I reload the page. This is immediate mode of script execution. Now I click the button. This is deferred mode. So as many times I click, so many times I get the pop-up. So that's it. This is simple. The difference between your immediate mode and deferred mode of script execution. Thank you very much.